Hi, I'm Scott Tomlinson with Clinical Trials Ontario. In this video tutorial, I will demonstrate how reviewers can view the comments made by other reviewers on a submission and how to make new comments while they're reviewing applications in CTO Stream. There are two types of comments that reviewers can make or view while conducting their review of an application that they've been assigned to. These are panel comments and form comments. The panel comments are specific comments that have been made about an applicant's response to a question of the form. Form comments are more general and about the application overall and not necessarily related to a specific question of the form. Reviewer comments are visible to all reviewers who have access to the submission in CTO Stream, but are never visible to the study team, even when the application is sent back for changes. You can view any comments that have been made previously on the submission by other reviewers from the submission timeline page or the cover page of the submission. From here, if you look in the action menu on the left-hand side of the page, you can see how many panel comments or form comments have been made on the submission up to that point in time. Click the Panel Comments button and view all of the panel comments that have been made for the submission within the pop-up window. You can see all of the comments made on the current submission in the current tab. And you can see the comments made on the previous submission of this form by going to the previous tab. And you can see all of the comments that have been made on the submissions previous to the last submission by going to the History tab. Similarly, you can view the form comments that have been made on the submission by clicking on the Form Comments button. And from there, you can view the form comments made on the current submission, the previous submission, or any submissions prior to the last submission by clicking on the History tab. You can make a new form comment while you have a submission open and the Form Comments button is appearing within the Action menu. This is the case on the submission timeline page, as you see now. Also on the table of contents page when you go to review the application, or if you open up a section of the application. In any of these cases, to make a new form comment, you'll click the Form Comments button, and then you'll click the Add Comment button that is appearing at the top of the pop-up window. Once you've typed in your form comment, you'll just click Save, and it'll show you the person who created the comment as well as the date it was created. And you can edit the comment at any time by clicking on the comment that you've created, and from there you could delete or edit the comment. You can view panel or form comments from the submission timeline or the table of contents page, but to make a new panel comment, you must be inside the section of the form where the question lives. Once you're inside that section of the form, you'll click the New Comment button found under the Action menu on the left-hand side of the page. Then you'll need to click on the question that you wish to make a comment on, and then you can enter your comment in the pop-up window that appears. And then you'll click the Save button, and you'll notice that the number in the speech bubble in the top right of that question will go up by 1, and the number of panel comments in total that have been made on the submission also goes up by 1. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions about CTO Stream or are having any technical issues, visit support.ctontario.ca to submit a help desk ticket. You can visit ctontario.ca for more video tutorials, user guides, quick guides, and tip sheets.